Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey fish heads, welcome back to Kuala Rompin. Get ready for another intense session of fly fishing for sailfish. This time we're fishing with Paul of Fin Line and Fly. Paul fishes all around the world. Do check out his YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description below.
Yeah, you should put it at your standby position when you make your cast.
First thing we do when we get out is to make some practice casts, because when the fish are raised,
Yeah.
you have to be ready.
You should put it right at the back at the actual position. Hopefully the fish are waking up now.
Hey, one. I got that all the way in.
At first I saw a black silhouette following, and then when I started winding, it actually started to hit the teaser. So it came halfway and then it went off. I thought it would keep coming. After a few fish, you will start to be able to see that.
When a bill or a big fin show up behind the teaser, it's hard to imagine a more intense and crazy form of saltwater fly fishing. Everything is just pure mayhem and all hell break loose. So many things happen in just seconds.
Cast! Let the line out. Yeah. Strike! Just pull the reel. Okay, good. Okay, just fight. Okay, concentrate on your...
Yep.
Oh,
It sound right, boys.
Jesus.
Yeah. Bye. Oh, look at it. Oh, yeah.
It sound
Nice.
right, boys.
Watch this. Yeah, it's way out there.
Say something.
Don't make me laugh.
Don't high stick, wind, go with the rod and wind, pull the fish in slowly, gently pull it in. Don't force it, but every time you can, just pull it in. Step back, pull the fish in.
Jeez.
They are strong fish.
Wow, look at that!
Okay, step back. Step back. Using the leader, step back. Yes! Woohoo! Yes!
You have it?
Yeah, we got it. Oh, that's a nice hookup. Beautiful.
I strongly suggest that everyone keep their fish in the water and not take them out for pictures.
Okay.
It's much better for the fish and they look better in the water anyway.
Yes! Hey! Well done. What a crazy day, eh? Slow and boring, and then one cast. Oi.
Hand off my left.
Yeah. That was good. Cast, the fish ate. Did it eat once or eat twice? It looked like it came back and ate it again.
I think it was still on.
Ah, alright.
I think it fell back, and I didn't have a hold of the line properly. I think. Striker, I could feel how hard it was on.
So the day actually started real slow. We woke up to strong breeze and dark skies that morning. The weather was bad and the seas rough, spoiling our plan to fish a spot further offshore. Very slow day as we watched our teasers being pulled behind the boat and not see, let alone raise a single fish from morning till afternoon. No birds, no fish, no casts, most parts of the day just staring at the teaser at the back. And then finally at around 3 p.m, a black shadow behind one of the teasers. That didn't turn into a cast, but shortly after another one came and Paul made the cast.
Cast.
And that's it.
Yeah. Strip strike. Just pull the reel. Okay. Good.
Just that one cast and we got that fish. What a way to end the day. Don't miss all the action from day 2. Here are some short clips.
Got it. Okay. Nice. Let it take.
Take it. It's got it.
Are you ready? Straight. Stick it in. Come.
Oh, coming. Okay.
Okay. Oh, another fish. Coming. Cast.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more. Catch you guys again in the next one.